Hey guys! Welcome back to Xplody FES. It's your girl Saira, and today we're doing something super practical. We're setting up a VPN right inside Windows 11. With no extra apps and no complicated tools. But, and this is important, Windows lets you connect to VPNs, but it doesn't provide a VPN service. So if you're gonna use a free VPN, do it at your own risk. Some are good, some not so much. Now, there are tons of free PVTP VPNs out there, but for this tutorial, I'll show you how to use vpnbook.com. It's one of the cleaner options, totally free, no login, no sign up, but again, use it responsibly. Step 1. Open the VPN Book website. Alright, first things first. Go to Google and search for VPN Book. Make sure you're using Google though. Other search engines might show different results than what I'm getting in this video. Once you find it, open the website. At the top, click on the second tab that says Free VPN. Now you'll see a bunch of VPN options listed. The free OpenVPN section is their main offering. And yeah, that one works great. But it requires you to download their client tool first, then import config files and all that. Since we're using Windows built-in feature, we'll skip that for now and use the free PPTP VPN section instead. It's simple, clean, and just works. Scroll down a bit. Here you'll find everything you need: the server address, the username, and the password. Let's pick one. I'll go with the UK server for this example. Copy the server address, and also take note of the username and password listed at the bottom. Step 2. Open Windows VPN settings. Now hit the Windows icon on your taskbar and type VPN. Click on VPN settings to open the Windows VPN setup page. Hit the Add VPN button. Fill out the VPN details. Alright, now don't get confused. This is actually really simple. For VPN provider, select Windows, built-in. In connection name, just type anything, like UK VPN or whatever helps you remember. Then for server name or address, paste the UK server address we copied earlier. Leave VPN type as automatic. For type of sign-in info, select username and password. Now scroll down a bit. Let's paste in the username we got from VPN Book. And for the password, yeah, here's the tricky part. It's shown as an image, so you can't copy-paste it directly. Extract password using Windows Screenshot tool. Here's the trick. Open the snipping tool on Windows 11 and take a screenshot of that password image. Once you have it, click on the text button inside Snipping tool. It'll scan the image and pull out the password text. Pretty cool, right? Copy that text, go back to the VPN setup, and paste it into the password field. And don't forget to check Remember My Sign-In info. Because honestly, who even remembers passwords these days? I can't even remember my own Instagram login half the time. Step 5. Save and connect. Click Save. And that's it. You're all set. Next time you want to connect, just click on the network icon in your system tray, find your VPN, and hit Connect. It'll log you in automatically using the info we just saved. You can disconnect the same way right from the tray. Easy peasy. And boom! You're now using the built-in VPN on Windows 11, fully connected through a free server. Whether you're gaming on public Wi-Fi or just want to add a bit of privacy, this setup's got you covered. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to Xplody FPS for more real talk Windows guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a list of more free VPN providers that work with this method. Catch you in the next one. This is Saira signing off. Stay safe, stay smart.